Pag nananalo ang isang beauty queen, minsan nagsasuffer love life. At nakita natin yung maraming mga relationships na hindi nag-work after manalo ng title ng isang beauty queen. Pero yung sa inyo, succeed.
No finals and a couple of days before the finals ng Miss World, ang daming umiiyak sa backstage. Sabi ko, oh, what happened to you? Tapos sabi niya, my boyfriend just broke up with me, or like, my boyfriend and I are Rockies. Ang daming ganon. Even yung mga competitors ko, they were really suffering emotionally talaga during that point.
Ikaw,
Well, ako, sabi ko, enjoy lang ako dito. Tapos si Fofo, ka-text ko, sabi niya, Bones, mag-cascade ka kung sino pwede bumoto sa'yo. Nagsa-strategize pa rin kami. So parang, ano to, laro?
I just remember that now.
Ano to, laro?
so habang nag-iiyakan sila nagbe-break, ito naman naging strategy para kayo boboto.
Oo,
Okay, go lang.
sabi pa niya,
Can I share?
Okay,
You
fine.
just reminded me of this. Kasi I think Miss World had parang a text component.
Oo, lagi may ganyan,
Yeah.
diba? Ay, text
But at that time, parang it was a bit newer yung style na gano'n.
wala
Sabi
pang
ko,
Instagram
"Bones,
nung time na yun."
At least dito sa Pilipinas, kailangan ikaw yung manalo ng segment na to for sure. So lahat ng fans mo, tweet ka lang,
Hindi,
go.
tapos sabi niya sa akin, lahat ng kilala mong artista, i-DM mo. Oh my gosh, sobrang... An introvert pa ako, so parang for me to message somebody na hindi ko masyadong close, that really took
Big
a-
step ang
Oh my
sa isang
gosh.
introvert mag-reach out.
So sabi ko, I can't do it. Sabi niya, ano ka ba, nandyan ka na, gawin mo na. Sabi niya, kung hindi mo gagawin, paano kung mag-regret ka that you didn't do it? So parang, okay, sige, let the extrovert come out right now. So napatext tuloy ako sa mga
Campaign for you to vote,
Vote for
you.
me!
Sabi ko, could you please share to your followers? Sobrang nahiya talaga ako to tell people at that point.